Hey IBMers, we talked before about why you don't need to customize Maximo. We configure it. So what are the tools? Real quick, let's run down the tools that make Maximo so configurable that we don't need to customize it. Top line, application designer. I can edit screens till my heart's content. I can change the fields, I can lengthen them, I can shorten them, I can change the sections, the order, I can change the way they look, I can change what's on the tabs, I can add tabs, remove tabs, combine tabs, I can add new applications entirely defined by whatever it is I think I need to capture. And Maximo allows me to do all of that. If I want to have a process that's enforced with approvals, that's workflow. Workflow works against the entire Maximo suite of applications, including the ones that I think up on my own. The database configuration capability is where I go in and I add new fields, I lengthen fields in terms of I change data types on them, all kinds of stuff, you know. Hey, that work order is only 20 characters. My legacy one is 30. What am I going to do? Well, you're going to go into DB config and you're going to redefine it to 30, and now you have a 30 character work order number. It works. The next one is in terms of the, advanced processing. Ooh, I wanted to do something really advanced on the screen. Well, that's what application scripting and conditional expression manager are for. They're able to take event triggers and then execute highly complex procedures, even Java code, if you will. So it can get pretty crazy in terms of what you do. This stuff, yeah, used to be customizations. It's not today. It's configuration of the application. So those cover such an enormous amount of crazy stuff customers want that's its own week-long course in talking about that. You just need to know it's there and it's incredibly powerful. And then the last one we get is about reporting. So you have your dashboards, which you're in full control over. And then within the reporting, you have saved queries, which then you can build query-based reports off of. And this is generically what you would call ad hoc. And I can build my own ad hoc reports right inside the application. Again, I don't need to be able to write code. I don't need to customize. Maximo is an incredibly powerful product with an incredibly robust set of tools to configure the application. And the importance in all of this is if I'm using those tools, then when I go to upgrade, it all just works. So any questions, reach out to us. We're your #1 partner. We're here to help you. We're here to win deals with you. Get ready with Banetti.